Hi everyone, I'm Bethany the Booktastic Mom, and today I have a homeschool haul from Amazon. Hi everyone, I'm so excited you're here today. If you recently saw, I put up a homeschool haul from Christian book distributors, and now I have a homeschool haul from Amazon. I have all kinds of different packaging here. I have this one, this box. I think it's so funny how you'll put in one order and then you get a million different packages with that one order. But I'm very excited to share the things that I got today. And let's start with this package right here. Okay, first I have Rhyming Bingo. This is for my kindergartner. She is now doing the All About Reading curriculum, and in that curriculum they have rhyming matching games, and she is absolutely loving it. So I figured I was gonna go out and get her a bigger game that she can play, and this one is called Rhyming Bingo. It is from Peaceable Kingdom, which is one of my favorite brands. I love their games. If you could see right here, I have a small collection of them. I have more on that side of the room. And let me show you what is inside here. Oh, here is the back if you want to see all that's included. And I'll also put links for all these things down below if you're interested in getting them. Okay, 10 hours later, I got that box open. So it comes with this pouch inside that has all these red tokens, the directions, all the play pieces that I will punch out that has both the word written and a picture, which I think is great, and all the different cards. They are two-sided. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so that's 12 different games that they can play. I'm super excited for this one, very happy with this purchase. And my daughter is gonna have fun playing this tomorrow in our school. Okay, next we'll go on to this bag here. And we have two things inside. I will start with this one. As you can see here, there is a bag, all kinds of sea creatures. We just finished up a marine biology unit from The Good and the Beautiful, which we loved. It was so much fun. My kids love ocean animals. So we have all these different things inside. It's not focusing, but it's a walrus. And if you follow me over on Instagram, lately I've been making these Play-Doh sensory bins. And I'm gonna do one that is marine biology or sea creature, sea animal themed for them to do. And I was actually planning on doing a video showing you how to make the Play-Doh sensory bin using these and all the different things I got. So stay tuned for that video. And next we have a book. This would not be a homeschool haul without a book, because I am the Booktastic Mom. I have I Live in Tokyo. My girls and I have been really into the Japanese culture. We recently did a Tokyo treat video where we got snacks from Tokyo in a subscription box. If you're interested in seeing that, I'll put it up here. And we had so much fun trying out all the snacks in that video. But I thought it'd be great to do some reading about Tokyo as well. So this is a picture book all about Tokyo, where it's located, about their food and traditions. Right here. Some special celebrations and holidays that they have. About the fastest train. And we have Mount Fuji there. So I'm very excited about this book. I'll go on with the next book since we're on that topic. And this one is called All About Japan, Stories, Songs, Crafts, and Games for Kids. So let me show you in this book, here's a table of contents. So it talks all about Japan, everyday life, holidays, celebrations, language, and culture. My oldest daughter is actually learning how to speak Japanese right now, so that is very cool. This will be a nice introduction for my 2 younger kids as well. We have the cherry blossoms here, some history of Japan. Oh, we have some recipes. Ah! Everything fell. Hold on, let me clean that up. My kids are now making fun of me because of my scream. We have how to use chopsticks. This is super cool. I'm very excited about this book and to read it. Oh, we have origami in the back. This is full of everything. Even teaches you how to write some characters. Highly suggest this book here. Okay, next in the box, we have another rhyming activity. Like I said earlier, she's really into rhyming and playing those games. So I got her a rhyming puzzle. Let me show you inside. Oh, and if you recently saw another video, connecting all these videos, I did a challenge where I went to Goodwill. I needed to find the best homeschool stuff I could find, but my price limit was only $10. And in that video, I showed a puzzle that was very similar to this that I got, and she loved that one, so I know she's gonna love this one too. So this one has all the puzzle pieces inside. There are a ton in here, and it connects the rhyming words with the words and the pictures. So we have cat and hat, corn and horn. Oh, on the back it just has the words. So this is great. So when they move up to the next level of just reading, they could just do the backs. So another fun thing I'm very excited about. And one more thing I got, and that was alphabet memory. We're also enjoying playing memory at night, so I thought this alphabet memory would be a great practice for my kindergartner. So let me get this one open and show you what this looks like inside. So this is what the pieces look like inside. Nice and big. So we have the capital letters and the lowercase, and I have a picture as well to match the letter. You have Q is for queen, L is for lock. Oh, and here's the other, this is the lowercase p here. My daughter over here is very excited for all her new things. So that is my haul today. That is all I got from Amazon. Stay tuned because you know there'll always be some more hauls coming your way. Let me know down below what your favorite thing that I got was. And again, I'll put all those links down in the description box if you're interested in getting any of these things. And if you like this video, please subscribe, please give it a thumbs up, and please hit that bell to be notified for future uploads. Again, thank you so much for watching today. Bye everyone!